So here I am an orchid slicer. See 20, 25, 50s, 50s, 60s. So quite low speeds there. So PETG, I think they recommend 85, but I tried 85. And someone said lower the bed down because I had Karen, but there you are, you see the ripple on here. 255 for the nozzle, that might be a bit warm. It's on these dots, dust I think. Right, it's the next layer. The previous paint at 85, it was carrying up at these edges. I could get a sheet of paper. This, like, skirt seems quite well adhered to the bed there. So let's wait until the next layer. I think I'll knock down the nozzle temperature from 255 to 235. I was hoping that a bit hotter temperature would make the layers bond together strong. So it's just starting the second layer now in a way. I've turned the temperature of the nozzle down to 240. It was on 255. The heat bed is still on 60. I think this is about layer 3 now. I can't see any curl in there, no, I think it's just the shape. A bit of ripple on top, that might be because the layer underneath is rippling. I think the nozzle was too hot there. Heat soaked the bed 60 degrees, sorry. Give it half an hour. I'll try and put some video about doing that. Okay, heat soak in bed. That is what SOVOL recommend, but really half an hour before you even start a print. Now this is a big print. Just a second. So there's the times there. 1.5 hours done. 7.5 hours to go. Mind you, I am printing this out quite slowly. I've tried knocking it down to about 20 millimeters per second, whatever it is. Okay, but now I think having the bed on that 60, that's lower than PLA. Normally I have it on 65 for PLA. I just run my finger, show you that I run my finger, that like skate I use, that seems to be adhering quite well. When I started on what I'm going to call the back wall, because it's L-shaped. Actually, what it's hopefully it's going to be 4 of these, and it will go in the corner here. There'll be a middle support and like a beam going round. So hopefully then I can raise up, it's a high rise, a very high rise, probably about this high, okay, above the bed. That's to allow for, this is like a piano spring inside some coiled tube. We're fitting there to hold it. That's to stop this cable getting tangled up, okay? So I'm not feeding from up here, I'm feeding from this filament dry down here, PETG. The advantage with this is I can look at the edge of the spool and see how much filament is left on there. Well, there we are, it's finished. At the moment the bed's on 38, cooling down. Now normally I wait until the bed's on about 32 when I've asked it to play a tune, and then the part will come off. But can you see that? The part's coming off there. I'll show you the bottom first. Trying to catch it in the light. I don't think this has the pattern I've asked for on previous prints. So these are just supports, 3 supports. Compare with that edge there. Again, some 3 supports. And those ones have come off very easily. eyes on this. Twist. Now it's coming off easily. Trying to get the light to reflect. In the bottom is the textured build plate. Well, I did start at 255 on the temperature for the nozzle, and I think that's why it's possibly rougher than it needs to be. Right? Just get come off all in one piece.